Are you experiencing oral pain? Do you have tooth decay or tooth nerve damage that cannot be repaired by a dental crown or filling? If so, you could need a tooth extraction. An emergency tooth extraction is a last resort. Dr. Lai will find a treatment process that is right for you. If an extraction is necessary, Dr. Lai will walk you through each step of the procedure. Our staff will ensure you feel confident in the treatment plan and answer any questions you may have. Tooth extraction aftercare is vital to the healing process of an emergency tooth extraction. Following the tooth extraction, we provide you with a tooth extraction healing plan for post-operative care. Book at once. We offer convenient hours and are a dentist open on Saturday. We are also an emergency dentist in Houston offering emergency dental care. Call us at 281-940-8940 and set up your dental appointment with one of the best dentists in Houston. We can't wait to be your local Houston dentist.